Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Coconut macaroons. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Sweetened condensed milk, salt, pure vanilla extract, egg white, coconut, and 100% chocolate. Now let's make the coconut macaroon. This is a quick and simple dish. You can eat it as a dessert or a snack. We add the condensed milk to the bowl, the salt, the vanilla extract, and the coconut. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we mix all of these ingredients up. Now that everything is mixed up, we're going to set this aside to the side. Now let's move on to making the next step of the coconut macaroons. I have a bowl here, and I'm going to put the egg whites in this bowl. I have an electric mixer here, and we're going to whip it until it comes to a stiff peak. You see, we can turn it over. It's got stiff peaks. Now, this is what we do next. Take a rubber spatula, and we're going to fold the egg white into the coconut mixture. Take it and fold it easily into this mixture. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper and an ice cream scoop.
What could you use besides an ice cream scoop?
You can use 2 serving size spoons to scoop it up with, and scoop it in 1 spoon and use the other to take it out.
I know coconuts was always your favorite.
Yes, I love coconut. You do not put these 2 close together.
It's almost like drop biscuits.
Yeah, somewhat. Now I have my oven set to 325, and I'm going to put these in the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the coconut macaroon is in the oven baking, now let's put some chocolate in a bowl. We're going to melt the chocolate in the microwave.
What kind of chocolate are you using?
100% unsweetened chocolate. You can use semi-sweet chocolate or milk chocolate if you choose that one, but I wanted dark 100% chocolate. I've taken the coconut macaroons out of the oven, and now I'm going to dip it in the melted chocolate. Take a knife, take off any excess. Then I'm going to put it on the parchment paper. The chocolate is optional. You don't have to do the chocolate part.
I know it's optional, but people really like chocolate.
Yeah, but some people don't, so that's why they said it's optional. Or you can use white chocolate. I know my macaroons are a little large because I used a large ice cream scoop. You can use a mini ice cream scoop
to make them smaller.
Yes.
Since you want them like little balls.
Yes.
You did them more like traditional cookies.
Yes, that's how I like them. That's why I used a large ice cream scoop.
I'm sure we'll put in the ingredients to let you know use a large or small ice cream scoop. It'll be in the description box below.
Here you have it. Coconut macaroons dipped in chocolate. Enjoy. See? If you like what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.